Hi, welcome to another episode of Cooking with David Kitchen. And today I'm going to show you how to make this chocolate cake with chocolate chip icing on top. Okay, we're going to need 2 cups of sugar. One 3 to 4 cups of all-purpose flour, and you want to sift it. Anytime you make cakes, you want to try to sift it, and the cocoa powder as well. 3 to 4 cups of cocoa, dark chocolate cocoa, and you want to sift it into the. You want 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and then you want half a teaspoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon of salt. Large eggs. Milk. Okay. Cup of vegetable oil. 1 cup of boiling water. Mixing this together. I'll spray these down. Got 2 of them here. Okay, here's the first chocolate. We're going to pour it out of this. We're going to line it up. Making the icing, so we're going to need a half a stick or half a cup of shortening. That'd be about. Need 3 cups of powdered sugar. Cups of milk. Not very much, just 1 or 2 cups. Spoon of vanilla extract. Okay, we're going to beat this for a good minute or 2 until it thickens up. We'll come back in just a few minutes. Okay, this is what you're looking for right there. Right there is what you're looking for. Okay, we're going to add in 2 handfuls of chocolate chip. 2 of these cakes right here, and we're going to ice these. Well, I'm going to ice them, and I'm going to come back and show you. So. Okay, that is a beautiful cake. Now we're going to do a taste test on this. I just cut me a slice here. So right there's our cake. So we're going to do a little taste of that. Sorry about that. Oh God, fell apart, but still. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, please. Oh my God. Ah, it's so delicious. No, that's good chocolate. Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will keep you posting new videos. And if you hit that subscriber, hit that bell right next to it so you get all my notification videos. And I appreciate y'all for watching and for y'all's support. Y'all have a wonderful day. Thank you.